So you really want to make money with credit cards? Well, pay close attention because we about to jump right into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the results, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and show you the exact steps that I use to generate what you're going to see. All right, so as you can see right here, right, for January 26th, we got $50. Then for May 13th, we got another $50. And then for May 29th, we got another $50. Let me actually slide this over so you can see it. So boom, that's $150 literally from leveraging a strategy I use with my credit card. So now what I'm about to do is show you exactly how I generated those results. All right, so I was implementing this strategy that was helping me boost my credit. So after I was consistently using this strategy, I was like, okay, this really works. So now I can actually bring it to the people. So what I had to do first was to see who actually wanted to know how to build their credit using a secure credit card, because that's what I use to be able to boost my credit. So once I figured that out, I was like, all right, cool. I need to find me a keyword so I can put this in front of the right people. So what I did is I went over to this tool over here because I need to see the demand, right? Who actually wants to know this? So right here, you can see how to use secure credit cards to build credit. We can see 2,600 people on average actually search for this. So what I did was I took that keyword, I brought it over here into my software, which you can see everything is already done. I literally created a title. Now, the way that I went ahead and created my title was something for the robot, which is the YouTube algorithm, and then something for the human because I need people to actually click on it, right? So then the next step is to create a description that's highly optimized for SEO. So if we go right here, we see I got the main keyword that I'm trying to rank for, which is how to use secure credit cards to build credit. We got that in there 3 times. And then we also got similar keywords that I also want to show up for when people are actually searching, right? After I do all that, I got my description. I also need to make sure that I got my tags, right? So these are all my tags. And you can see that these right here are underlined, right? That's because I've included them inside of my description. So boom, we got all our title, our description, our tags. Now we need to also go ahead and create like a thumbnail. This is my thumbnail right here. And then these are all the people that I'm actually competing against. So my goal is to stand out more than all of those other people. So I create a thumbnail that speaks to, you know, whatever keyword I have. So you can see right here, mine says this credit card strategy grows your score fast. And then I pretty much got a credit card and it got a lock on it, which pretty much stands for secured, right? So this video has actually drove 6,000 views at this particular point, 429 likes. So people got a ton of value from that particular video. Now let's get into why you're really here, which is to make money, right? So what you need to do is you need to make sure that the credit card provider that you're using actually has a referral program. So you can see right here, I actually have Capital One, and that was the card that I was using to implement that strategy. And to be completely honest with you, I leverage this with every single credit card, this exact strategy. So if you want to go see that video and you're trying to boost your credit, then go ahead and watch that video and see what it is that I'm talking about over there, all right? So boom, they got their affiliate program. I made sure I got my personalized link. I then came back over here, made sure I put my link in the description. So you can see right here, I want to say, okay, it's not in this one, so let me actually go in the video real quick and I'm going to show you exactly the link I have. So you can see right here, want access to the best secure credit card? Boom, they go ahead, they sign up for it there. But you see, I actually made a mistake, and I can't even believe I made this mistake because I've been doing online marketing for a very, very long time. I didn't give a call to action in this video. I got so happy when I was breaking the strategy down because I knew that this would work for them if they actually did it because I had been doing it for quite some time. I literally just broke down the strategy. I didn't hold anything back at all. After I was done with the video, I went back and I was like, man, I didn't even give the call to action. But I was like, you know what the heck? I'm just gonna still put the video out and I'll just put the link in the description. But little did I know somebody was still gonna go down in the description and actually get the card, right? So let's go over here to ClickMagick and I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if you see right here, Capital One secured 43 link clicks. So that means that even though I didn't say click the link down below in the description, they still went down below in the description and clicked the link just because I gave them value in the video. So what you want to do is you want to look at what you already know, something like, maybe it's a strategy. And yes, we're talking about making money with credit cards, but you can apply this in many, many ways. Look at what you already know and tools that you already use, and then show people, some value or strategy or whatever it is, and then recommend that tool, or in this case, that credit card in the video, which I didn't do, by the way. And then make sure you do that. And then once you do that, then people, if you really give them value, they're going to click the link in the description. So make sure you say, click the first link in the description. That's my recommendation when it comes to this strategy. That's why if we go back over here, you can see I got it as the first link in the description so they can click. Once they click, they sign up for whatever it is that you're doing, and boom, you make money. All right. So hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this video was helpful. And if you want to learn how you can rank your videos up at the top so you can actually get found, so you can implement this strategy in many ways, definitely go ahead and check the first link down below in the description. Click that. It's going to take you to a free training that's going to break everything I just shared with you down. All right. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.